Automatic air conditioning systems usually have a self-diagnostic mode that stores information on malfunctioning sensors. While the procedures to activate the self-diagnosis mode and the retrieved codes differ among manufacturers, all manufacturers monitor the sensors and wiring for the integrity of the circuits. Always refer to the manufacturer's service manual for the diagnostic procedures to follow when a trouble code is indicated by self-diagnosis. On vehicles with electronic engine management systems, the operation of the air conditioning compressor can be affected by the inputs from several engine sensors. The electronic coolant temperature sensor is a thermistor that provides input on the temperature of the engine coolant. Engine coolant temperature is an indication of the under-hood temperature that can affect air conditioning operation. Thermistors are variable resistors that change the value of the resistance in response to a change in temperature. The thermistors used on cars are usually negative coefficient thermistors, meaning that the resistance of the thermistor increases as the temperature increases. Sensors that are thermistors receive a 5-volt reference signal from the electronic control module, or ECM. That voltage passes through the thermistor and is returned to the ECM or BCM. The ECM calculates the voltage drop across the thermistor and uses that value to determine the temperature that the sensor is reporting. So, when looking at a chart of resistance and voltage values for a thermistor, remember that the voltage values are for the voltage drop across the sensor, and that the voltage values will increase as the resistance of the thermistor increases. The vehicle's speed sensor is a magnetic analog signal generator. As the vehicle speed increases, the signal increases in frequency. The vehicle's speed sensor is used by the ECM and BCM to determine airflow over the condenser and is a general indicator of engine operating conditions. The throttle position sensor is a variable resistor with a set of contacts for idle and a set of contacts for wide-open throttle. On electronically controlled engines, the air conditioning compressor is disengaged during high engine loads or when the vehicle is operated under wide-open throttle. The power steering pressure switch is a pressure switch that is normally open. When demand for power steering is high, the switch closes and a signal is sent to the ECM that the engine is under load. The ECM then cuts current flow to the compressor clutch to ease engine load. In this presentation, we've looked at the various types of air conditioning control systems and devices. Whether manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic, the air conditioning systems all rely on driver inputs, electrical circuits, and vacuum or mechanical devices to operate the system and distribute the air.